This is just a tutorial to show you how to do task 1, weekly task 1. So you're just using a function here, it's just the print function, and you are using the special characters \t for tab and \n for a new line. So I'll just quickly go through that. There you go. So I just took into consideration that the \t has 7 spaces, and then I just at the beginning of each line, so I put a space here. Can you see a space there? And then I think I did 5 spaces, and then you go new line, 3 spaces, new line, 4 spaces, and then I did x space x, and then just the opposite on the way down, and just put it in. Oh, we did it. Okay, that's the first task.